get a little slouch over.
Can't go to sleep. It's about 4. Roll up. I had to roll up. Killers roll up and I'll put up. She eat the deep fruit roll up. With the fruit roll up.
Don't take them off yet. Don't take them off yet. I'm gonna count to 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second one.
Damn, let me see. I can't see you. Oh yeah, she fire. I want her. I didn't kiss you. I'm my granny.
Why you didn't though? Why you didn't?
Why I didn't do what?
Kiss me.
Cause we gotta chop it up.
Fuck all that talking.
Oh yeah. Go
ahead, get a little.
If y'all really about it, y'all talking.
Yeah, y'all talking like y'all winning, girl.
I get a little slouch over, got what I mean? Yeah, she raw.
Yo! Man, we gotta get a truth or dare in, cause we gotta get a game.
Wait. Before we do that, what y'all rate each other 1 through 10? Like, you know we love rating.
I got like 300 shit. My mama, she raw as a motherfucker. Like, look in that camera right there.
Look direct in that camera.
1 through 10, 1 out of 10. She my granny.
Yeah. Goddamn.
My granny, she a
All right,
okay then.
Hey, Taylor,
what you rate him though?
Shit, he fine as fuck. Nah.
That's all that need to be said.
Okay. 4 each? Alright, bet. So look, we're gonna get 4 each. Yeah, 4 what he just said. Truth or dare. So we're gonna get 4 truths and 4 dares and shit like that. So
alright.
Who wanna go first? So y'all wanna rock, paper, scissors?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Alright, y'all gonna do it one time and then whoever win there is gonna go.
Alright.
He was ready.
I put up 4. I'm tripping. Alright, my bad. Come on.
Alright, look. Come on, one more time.
Alright. Shoot.
Cranked you.
Alright, so look, you going first, Taylor.
Huh?
You going first. So truth or dare?
Truth.
Alright. Is it true that you really find this man attractive or you just flying for the
Nah, it's true. And he know.
Damn. You standing on business.
He know I ain't playing.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Oh shit. Alright, so look. Wait, give me a dare.
Hey man, I dare you to grab her neck and whisper something in her ear that you think that would turn her on, man.
Want me to whisper it loud, like?
Sure. I mean, yeah.
However you want to do it.
That motherfucker here. I'm trying to nail that motherfucker from the side. My granny hella slow. And then I'm gonna speed up my granny.
Damn! She feeling that motherfucker.
What you right there? What you said?
Bro.
I'm trying to make that go up.
He got 10 all across the board.
Hey, this video gotta go up, my mom.
For sure, man. This motherfucker gotta hit 10K or better.
How many likes on the video for y'all to go on the second date?
Part 2 type shit.
How many likes on the video for us to go on a second date?
Yeah.
A buck. My mama.
What?
1,000? He getting 1,000.
We can do that. We can do that.
100. I was on 100. That's light work. 100. That's light work.
Hey, if we can do that, man. Hey, we gonna get a part 2, man. Hey, it's gonna be way more spicier. On bro.
All right, we just go do dares at this point.
Yeah, on bro.
Like they are.
So look.
Tuned.
We going on a date tonight. I'm like,
alright, look. I'm finna dare you. I dare you. Shit, give him a kiss on his neck for like 10 seconds. Show him what you talking about.
Oh shit.
That phone ain't going up.
She a fucking freak. Look at you. They staring like a mom.
Oh shit. Alright, so look, what you right there?
Hey, we heard that.
Oh, bro,
That was crazy.
She was going crazy. What you rate on what's your thing?
I rate that a 10.
Damn.
I felt her mouth.
Ratings. We know what the rating's gonna be now. It's 10s all
I
over.
felt her
Okay.
mouth on my mom.
So, shit. Alright, so look, I dare you to grab her titties and shit, man, motorboat on her oh bro.
What's that?
Like on her shit.
or just grip that ass.
Oh, bro, on me, turn around, grip that ass. Which one you want to do? Which one better?
Cause you can see through these. Through this motherfucker.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so look, go ahead.
You gotta come over here. You gotta come to the middle. Gotta come in the middle. I want to suck one though.
You can. Hey,
we
you
blurred it out,
hey,
God.
You
Like,
can,
gotta be
on
blurred
bro.
out.
You
We
can.
can't
It gotta be blurred out.
Gotta be
Yes,
blurred
for
out.
sure. We gonna blur
Can
it
I
out.
suck this like strawberries? My mama they just.
Man, hey,
This,
Hey, that motherfucker tastes like
this finna
strawberries.
go up.
going crazy.
Hey, so what you give him there?
I get him in there.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get her there.
No, I thought it was her turn.
Give me.
Oh yeah, it is. All right, go. Yeah, you get her there.
How spicy you want this thing? Like how much?
Man,
How really?
We
How
gotta
much
turn
you
these
really
up, cause
fucking with him?
you gotta turn me up.
How much you really fucking with him?
Man, turn me up. Like what?
You
All right, man. I just look. I know you put your hands in his pants and then whisper something in his ear that turn them on, something. And if you
Yeah.
turn them on, you
Why I
gonna know.
gotta whisper something, y'all?
Because you gonna know if you turned them on. Because your hands in his pants.
Well, I'm gonna turn him on with my
motherfucker
hand in his pants. What?
man, just talk to him nasty in his ear and.
Hey, go ahead.
And play
Whatever
with
you
that.
want to do with that, with that info, go ahead.
All right.
I go.
Hey,
You gonna see us.
wait, scoot back.
Get that motherfucker on hard and talk to him. Whisper in my ear. In the car. In my car. Alright, say no more. Alright. Hey, she going with me, goddamn.
She going with you guys. Hey, you gotta end it off with a banger, my boy. You gotta end it.
Alright, so look. Taylor, man. Alright, so look. Hey, look, you want to give him a dirt, last dirt.
Last dirt?
Yeah, a bang gang, like a bang.
I thought that motherfucker was done. Let
Turn
me
me
hit
on.
that.
This is different one. It's a turn me though. But I got y'all. You want a dare?
Yeah.
One more.
First of all,
They been fucking.
did they rate each other off looks already?
Man,
Yeah.
they
This
did
the
more
last
than that.
dirt, man.
Last
They
dare.
did more than that.
You gotta turn
They
them up.
did
Turn
more
them
than
up.
that.
Turn them up.
We did everything.
I want to
done-
find something out real quick. The off free carry 1 through 10.
Man,
I didn't suck.
Ten.
I didn't suck their titties and
So I
all
dare
that.
you. Look him in his eyes. Suck in his finger for 3 seconds.
Suck on what?
His finger for 3 seconds. Look him in his eyes. No.
Let me see. Let me make
shit.
sure.
Which one?
Which one clean?
the middle
my,
finger.
These two
my
right here.
pinky.
Hold
These two
on.
right here. This two right here.
Oh, hell no.
I know they get that. This one right here.
The middle finger.
No. This one, cause these one be going to coach. So this one right here.
Right. This
Look,
one.
this one right here, bro.
His ring finger.
This one right here. Yeah.
No, he probably used that motherfucker.
Nah, it's just.
I won't be
it's just
fingering
this, it's just
motherfucker.
this.
y'all heard it.
Right here. 3 seconds.
I mean,
Which one?
I don't know.
Oh y'all gonna have
I
to.
can do both.
Y'all gotta
right,
turn
for
y'all heads. Fuck it. I'm gonna pull my pants down. I'm gonna turn y'all heads.
Hold on, wait. Matter of fact, we can get out the car and then y'all can.
Go ahead. Facts.
And
Get out.
you know, we'll blur everything out. I
We
promise
gonna
you.
leave that X-rated. We gonna leave that for later on for me and her.
Oh, God.
We can do the
Okay,
finger
okay.
thing.
I mean,
I mean,
Which one?
Go ahead.
I can do both.
Alright, so no. Damn, Bo. What about 3?
Come on. I
Two.
can do both.
2 or 3?
Hey.
Hey, it don't matter. Scoop it.
Ooh.
I feel her throat, cuz. I feel her throat.
what the fuck on
Yo.
Cuz she's
Hey, look, man. That's the end of this video, man. Hey, get this video to 10,000 likes, man. Hey, we gonna bring part 2 to this, motherfucker. It's gonna be way spicier, man. I promise you. On bro.
She just freaked my little ass out, cuz.
On bro.
We
Okay.
gonna put their hats on the screen, man. We go, hey, we
Crash
gonna
out,
get to it. We
Hey,
gonna let them get
man.
to
We
it.
got Monte in the back, and we got.
Life for Tariq in the small. Life
Man,
for
we
Tariq.
outside.
Okay, then, man. Hey, we gone.
Roll up. With the fruit roll up. Hold up.